everyone.
Good morning.
This is our final project and we're all very excited about
Yes.
the break, the well-deserved break. So I will tell you some words that probably evoke some feelings in you. Burger King, McDonald's, Arby's, Taco Bell, KFC, Subway, Wawa. Sound so good, don't they? Fast food industry skyrocketed in the past couple decades. According to demographic survey, 53% of this class are working full time, and another 30% are working part time. So that means that we're having these super busy lives. And let's be honest, the majority of us enjoying the benefits of fast food. It can be done in the shortest time. It's available 24/7. The cost is low. It is absolutely delicious and widespread. In one word, it's just very convenient for our busy lives. And those are responses over 90% of the class based on my survey. However, watching that the results of 100% of youth think that junk food is not healthy for us gives me the hope that this speech will make you think before you continue to harm your health. I would like to dig deeper and focus my attention on three main points: what fast food is, how frequent consumption of fast food can harm our health, and what we can do instead to prevent unfortunate health issues caused by fast food industry. Let me first begin with identifying what fast food is. According to Cambridge Dictionary, fast food is cheap, often hot food that is prepared and served quickly for immediate consumption. On average, fast food can run up to 1,000 calories or more and usually has a poor nutritional value. I've done my research for about 2 months and checked about 10 restaurants in the area and the nutritional values of some items from our favorite fast food restaurants. For example, one of the most popular fast food items is double burger. I was surprised that a regular double Whopper from Burger King that is 1,000 calories has the lowest number of calories among other burgers in that category on the menu. Some of them could reach up to 2,000 calories. And let me remind you that a daily calorie value intake is 2,000 for women and 2,500 for men. So only one burger can cover 2 or 3 meals of recommended daily value. The calories are consumed, but the nutritional value is not reached. Jenny Mayer offers a great article about the movie experiment Fast Food Nation. The experiment was conducted to see the whole process, the production chain from farm to drive-through. Fast Food Nation describes how fast food industry had reduced the overall food quality, they created poor working conditions for millions of people, and ruined public health. Now, after we identified what fast food is, we can move on to my next point. What are the consequences of such a poor nutrition? According to NCD Alliance, organization that drives action on non-communicative disease prevention and care, many packaged processed food contain high level of sugar, sodium, and fats, which directly increase the risk of and prevalence of obesity and other chronic diet-related conditions. Consuming too much sugar increases risk of developing type 2 diabetes, heart disease, liver and kidney damage, and some cancers. Excessive sodium is closely linked with the high blood pressure and increased risk of heart diseases, stroke, and even death. And consumption of saturated and trans fats has been a major driver for global obesity epidemic and increases in other diet-related non-communicative diseases worldwide. Globally, unhealthy diets are estimated to be responsible for 11 million prevented deaths per year, over a quarter of total deaths from NCDs. I would like to give you an example with this beautiful, I think it's magic movie that one good documentary filmmaker, Morgan Spurlock, created. That's the movie when he follows the 30-day diet, consuming the McDonald's food. It was created in 2003. And the movie presents the drastic effect on his physical and psychological health and well-being. That's another proof of junk food being very harmful for our health. According to the Center of Science and Public Interest Organization, unhealthy eating and physical inactivity are leading causes of death in the United States. Unhealthy diet contributes to 678,000 deaths each year in the U.S. due to nutrition and obesity-related diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and type 2 diabetes. Those are three major causes. In the last 30 years, obesity rates have doubled in adults, tripled in children, and quadrupled in adolescents. Numbers of Americans living with diseases related to diet, obesity, 78 million. Obesity, 66 over 66, it actually reached 67 million with high blood pressure and over 29 million with type 2 diabetes. Statistics prove that the problem does exist and is directly related to poor nutrition, in which fast food industry plays a major role. But we are the ones who can change such horrible numbers. Which brings us to my last point. There is a hope and many ways and possibilities to change our nation and increase health benefits we can enjoy for the rest of our lives. A Health Foundation offers a way to cut the junk food. First, plan your meals and snacks ahead. That could actually save you a lot of money. As you're planning your meals, you're buying certain items in the stores and the grocery stores. You don't just run into a Wawa and take everything because you're feeling starvation and spending lots of money every day. You're planning everything according for a week, for a month, and that way you not only consuming the healthy food, you're also saving a lot of money. Think before you eat. Practice mindful eating. Try to reduce consumption of fast food. Instead of going to the fast food, try to think one more time. Maybe I can get something. Maybe I can cook something at home. Ask your family or friend to support you. Cooking and having dinner together can become a fun tradition, and that's one of the very big reasons why people don't eat. Well, people consume junk food because they do not have the company with them, and when the family can support you and just sit down and have a nice conversation at the end of the day, why not? That's going to be another step toward healthy eating. Try different cooking techniques. A good nutritional meal can be very delicious and made in a matter of minutes. Social media skyrocketed with great solutions about how to eat healthier, how to exercise more frequently, how to live your best life, a healthy, long life. The change will take place when people become more knowledgeable about the topic, that fast food gradually kills people. Public awareness is the key to success. That is why we have identified what fast food is, what are the horrible consequences we're facing nowadays in consuming of poor nutritional value food, and finally, we went through the list of solutions that would help us not only to make a change for the nation, but most importantly for ourselves, to live a long, happy, and healthy life. Thank you.